Hi, I'm Emily and I'm Marketing and VM Manager. My job, working from the office, is to create the best customer in-store experience. IWD allows me to project myself by being able to visualize all brand assets and easily see how the new products will fit with the ones already in store. I can let my imagination run free and create layouts that best tell my brand story. Once the ideal in-store atmosphere is created, guidelines are ready to be adapted to fit with local market assortments and sent out directly to stores to create the ultimate shopping experience. Thanks to IWD software, my team is connected with each store and can send them precisions on anything or share feedback. Make your retail life easier with IWD.